Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is Al-Ijtihad. Sources of Islam are classified as fundamental sources and secondary sources. Al-Quran and Sunnah belongs to fundamental sources, and the sources derived from them through Ijtihad are called secondary sources. In this video, let's see the solution for what is Ijtihad, what are the evidence of the Quran and the Hadith for Ijtihad, and the qualifications of mujtahids. What is ijtihad? The meaning of the word ijtihad: finding the solution for a new problem for which there was no solution directly provided by the Quran or Sunnah. One who engages in this effort is called as mujtahid. Imam Shawkani defines it as a application of efforts by the legal scholars in solving current problems. Now let's see what are the evidence of the Quran and the Hadith on ijtihad. Allah says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ati'ullaha wa ati'ur rasul wa ulil amri minkum. O you who believe, obey Allah and obey the messenger of Allah and those of you who are in authority. In this Quranic verse, Ati'ullah, you obey Allah, wa ati'ur Rasul, you obey the Prophet, wa ulil amri minkum is those who given the authority. Wa ulul amri is the word referred to the mujtahids. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Mu'adh ibn Jabal to Yemen, he asked, what will you do if a matter is referred to you for a judgment? Mu'adh said, I will judge according to the book of Allah. The Prophet asked, what if you find no solution in the book of Allah? Mu'adh said, then I will judge by the Sunnah of the Prophet. The Prophet asked, and what if you don't find it in the Sunnah of the Prophet? Mu'adh said, then I will make ijtihad to formulate my own judgment. The Prophet ﷺ patted Mu'adh's chest and said, praise be to Allah, who has guided the messenger of his prophet to that which pleases him and his prophet. This hadith is reported in the book Tirmidhi. What are the qualifications of a mujtahid? Mujtahid must be of a taqwa, God-fearing and very good moral character. They also must possess intelligence, sound scholarly knowledge, and high proficiency in Arabic language, and deep knowledge of the Quran and Sunnah and the related sciences. They should also have the sound knowledge and information on the ijtihad done by mujtahid in previous occasion. So these are the informations about ijtihad.